You bring home a beautiful bouquet, and within days it's limp, lifeless, and dropping petals. Ever wonder why Florist displays stay flawless for weeks while yours barely last a weekend? Here are 9 pro-level tricks that not only extend the life of your cut flowers, but just might save you money on your next bouquet run. Cut the right way, or lose days of freshness. How you cut flowers matters more than most people realize. Snip stems at a 45-degree angle, at least 2 centimeters up, to open up the water pathways. A flat cut can block absorption and trap the stem against the vase base, instant freshness killer. Choose the right vase and clean it like crazy. That pretty vase? Make sure it's spotless. Dirty containers are breeding grounds for bacteria. Pick a vase that fits the bloom size, taller for light flowers, shorter and sturdy for heavy heads like Gerberas. Fill it 3/4 with lukewarm water, and yes, flower food is your best friend. Change the water regularly, no excuses. Fresh water isn't optional, it's survival. Change it every 2 to 3 days. Rinse the vase and re-add plant food if you have it. Misting the flowers also helps, especially in dry indoor air. Keep flowers cool and away from trouble spots. Your flowers don't want to sunbathe. Keep them out of direct sunlight and away from heat vents, electronics, or radiators. Tulips especially are heat sensitive. Just a few degrees too warm and the petals start collapsing. And never place your vase near ripening fruit. It releases ethylene gas that speeds up wilting. Use sugar, but only if your flowers want it. Sugar mimics the nutrients roots provide. For most blooms, a teaspoon per quart of water works. But not all flowers are sugar fans. Daffodils and chrysanthemums can suffer from it. Gladiolas? They love sugar. Some even respond to up to 20% sugar solutions if used temporarily. Crushed Aspirin for better absorption. 1 or 2 crushed aspirin tablets in the vase water can help lower the pH. This acidity helps water move more easily through the stems, especially in roses, tulips, and mums. Pair it with a pinch of sugar or a few drops of bleach to keep bacteria in check. Make your own flower preservative at home. No flower food packet? No problem. Mix 2 tablespoons each of white vinegar and sugar, and add 1/2 teaspoon of bleach to 1 quart of water. This solution keeps water clean, stems happy, and blooms standing strong. Lemon lime soda isn't just for sipping. Want a florist hack? Try lemon lime soda, not diet. Mix 1 part soda to 3 parts water and add 1/4 teaspoon of bleach. The citric acid and sugar combo works wonders for prolonging bloom life. Here's some bonus pro tips you probably didn't know. Cut your own flowers early in the morning. They're more hydrated and less stressed. Keep toxic sap flowers like daffodils and irises separate from others for at least a day. Flowers like mums, carnations, lilies, and hydrangeas already have long vase lives. Just apply these tricks to double it. And here's the florist's secret. Refrigerate your bouquet overnight. Yes, just like veggies, flowers love cool conditions and can last up to 2 weeks this way. If stems go floppy, like with tulips, poke a pin through the top of the stem to help them stand straight again. Now you know exactly how florists keep their flowers looking fresh for days, sometimes weeks. Try one or try them all. But don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your flowers fresher longer every time. See you in the next one.